Hey everyone, welcome back to the Collector Channel. Today I'll be opening up some packs from this 1984-85 Hockey OPC box. All sealed, baseball card exchange authenticated. On the back, a lot of times if it's from an unopened case, it'll say so. So I'm assuming this wasn't from an unopened case. But still really in good condition. The corners are pretty sharp on the box. Not a whole lot of wear. I've seen a lot worse before. What I'm going to do is open it up now. Alright, let's see what we have in here. Oh, nice. Check that out. That is so cool. Fresh, unopened packs. Let's pull one out here. That is so cool. So I've never opened up a 84-85 OPC pack before. I've done tops several times, but none of these. And this set is loaded with tons of rookies, stars. Wayne Gretzky, not his rookie obviously, but a nice card of his, and then Steve Yzerman, and then there's Cam Neely, Chris Chelios, Doug Gilmour rookies. A bunch of those rookies are in here, or in the set. There's the gum, by the way, all broken up. And so far these are really nicely centered. Pretty sharp too. Let's see here. Kind of have a slightly rough cut to them, but that's definitely typical of these. You don't see that as often in the tops. Wow, these are so cool. So for everyone watching this video, do you have any favorite star cards or any cards from this set? Mine was always the Gretzky. I'm sure that's a lot of people's. I mean, it's such a cool card. When I was younger, I had a bunch of them, like probably 3 or 4, and they're pretty beat up, but you know, when you're a kid, that you don't really care. You just want the player card and to show it off to friends. I always liked the Oilers. I'm sure most people did back then. They're a pretty sweet team. There's a Chris Chelios rookie. I think this might be a rookie too. So if I'm passing any rookies that you guys know of that are notable, definitely let me know in the comment section below. I'm kind of in awe going through these because they're pretty cool to me. Brings back a lot of memories. Just collecting a lot of this 80s stuff when I was younger. Oh wow, that's definitely a miscut. There's a Paul Coffey All-Star card. That's a cool card. Put that aside. Head beers. Nice. So what I'll do is open up 2 more packs. I'm just going to take both of them out right now. Man, these are sharp. Nice. That's a cool card. The old North Stars before they moved to Dallas. That's an awesome team. That's cool. There's the gum back there. I was wondering where the gum went on this one. It's right there. All right, so this is the last pack. And I'll definitely open the rest of these on camera. So make sure to check often to see if I've put up a new video with more packs. There's the gum all crackled up in there. It's kind of different. Looks like a color print smudge on there. Another Paul Coffey. That's a nice card. Put that aside, get that in a case. All right, awesome. Well, thanks for joining me, everyone, and stick around for more videos. See you later.